Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by importing your clip and immediately duplicate the video layer. You need a backup to blend with. Next, convert the top layer to a high contrast base using Lumetri. Boost exposure and contrast so darks clamp down. Once done, desaturate the duplicate to remove color noise because pure green tint will read cleaner. Make sure your sequence is 16:9 and matches resolution. Mismatch scaling will blur the effect, so correct scaling now before moving on. Now craft the signature green by applying tint and remapping whites to a deep lime green. Keep blacks unchanged so contrast holds. Then use Lumetri HSL secondary to isolate midtones and highlights, refining the key with small hue, saturation, and luminance ranges so skin and bright objects remain visible. Add a subtle Gaussian blur, just a fraction, to smooth sensor noise. This avoids plastic-looking edges. Once keyed and blurred, lower the tint layer opacity, so the green. Finish by placing the tinted layer above the original and switch its blend mode to screen or overlay. Choose what retains shadow detail best, then dial opacity between 20 and 70% to taste. Add grain and a tight vignette to sell the night look. It recreates sensor texture and focuses the eye. If you see color banding or crushed blacks, make sure to refine the HSL key and reset Lumetri sliders. That one tweak usually fixes odd color shifts and restores natural contrast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.